Crazy Easy Keto. Keto cooking that's crazy easy.
Hey guys, welcome back to another helping of Crazy Easy Keto. Today we are doing another super easy 3-ingredient recipe. We are making cheese stuffed bacon wrapped hot dogs. And that's all you need. You need your hot dogs, cheese, and bacon. Now for the hot dogs, if you're going keto, I definitely recommend Hebrew National brand or another type of kosher hot dog because they don't have any fillers. And those fillers are, guess what guys? Carbs that we don't want. So, okay, now that we've got that out of the way, you want to make sure you've got your oven preheating to 375. And you also want to make sure that your baking tray that you're going to put them on, that you line it with tin foil. It'll just make it easier to clean up because baking grease is a mess. So, super, super easy. What you're going to do is you're going to take your hot dog and just take your knife here and just slice, not all the way through, basically about halfway down, so that you have a way to open it up and you can put your cheese in. So see, still solid at the bottom. And I'm just doing this with 2 hot dogs today just so you guys can kind of see what I'm doing. And then I will put them on a tray with the rest of them that I've already got prepped up and then just pop it all in the oven. Okay. Oh, missed a spot. There we go. Ta-da! Okay, so now I'm using mozzarella, but you can use whatever cheese you want. Slice it up real thin and small so you can fit it in there. That, and then another chunk like that. And over to the other one, same thing. All right. So now that they've got the cheese, now we just need our bacon. So, and you can just wrap it right around. I have some toothpicks I'm gonna use to secure the ends, but you really don't have to. It just makes sure that it doesn't come unwrapped during the baking process. And I just take it and I push it through like this, just to make sure everything stays secure. And then again, to the other end as well. And repeat with our other hot dog here. There we go. All right, secure and secure. Perfect. Now we just take our tray here that I've got the rest of the hot dogs on, put these last 2 on, and pop it in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes until that cheese gets melty and that bacon gets nice and crispy on the outside. And we'll be back when they're ready. All right, and here they are all out of the oven. The only thing left to do is, of course, just pull out all the toothpicks before you serve. And as you can see, like, it keeps the bacon like perfectly wrapped around the hot dogs. Ooh. And some of these, if you can tell, have cheddar in them. Some of them have mozzarella. And a few of them actually don't have any cheese at all because my husband does not like cheese. But whatever you want to do, guys, easy peasy. And if you have kids like I do, they will love them. Well, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Hungry for more? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a helping of Crazy Easy Keto. Thanks again. We'll see you next time. Peace.